In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT think like you in just a few simple steps. This is a great trick if you want ChatGPT to better match your tone, your style, your preferences, and the way you like to get answers. Instead of getting generic responses, you can train it to understand how you think, so every reply feels more personal and more useful. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel a lot, and it keeps you updated with more practical tips like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or on your app. Once you're inside ChatGPT, you're going to paste the prompt that I've provided in the comments section. This prompt is designed to help ChatGPT understand your thinking style, your preferences, and the way you want responses structured. After you paste the prompt, take a moment to read through it before sending it. If you want the results to be even better, make sure the prompt matches the way you naturally communicate. The more clearly you describe how you think, the better ChatGPT can adapt to you. Now, once the prompt is pasted, send it into the chat. ChatGPT will start learning from the instructions you gave it, and it will begin shaping responses based on that style. This is the key step because it helps set the foundation for future replies. After that, you can ask anything. That's the real power of this method. Once ChatGPT has the prompt as context, you can start asking questions normally, and it should respond in a way that feels much more aligned with your thinking style. You can ask it to write, explain, brainstorm, summarize, plan, or even help you make decisions. If the answers don't feel perfect right away, don't worry. You can always refine the prompt later by adding more detail about how you want it to think, what kind of examples you like, how formal or casual you want the tone to be, and whether you want short answers or more detailed explanations. This is one of the easiest ways to make ChatGPT feel more personal and more powerful, because instead of starting from scratch every time, you're teaching it how to respond in a way that fits you. So, to quickly recap, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt from the comments section, and then ask anything you want. That's it. Very simple, very fast, and really effective. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.